If you want to start selling digital products in 2026, first of all, you need to have an idea. Everything you see started with an idea. Even this microphone you see that I am using right now, it was somebody's idea first before it turned into a product that I can use right now. So you need to have an idea. Yes, maybe an idea that comes from an experience that you've been through, or any knowledge that you know about. Maybe you went to school, you studied about something, and you want to share that knowledge with other people, or it is a situation that you have been through. Maybe you have been a mom and you know something about that experience. You can use that as an idea and turn it into a digital product. Yes, and it's not only about having that idea, but the second thing is validating your idea if it's going to work. Yes, everybody can have an idea, but not every idea is going to be a winner. Some ideas, instead of being a hero, they are zeros. So it doesn't guarantee that if you have an idea, people are going to buy it. So you have to do your product research to see if the idea you have is on market and people are willing to pay money for it. And you can go ahead to check your idea if it is needed by doing research, or you can call it product research. Yes, you can do this product research from platforms like Etsy. Yes, or you can use other platforms like Pinterest or other social media platforms. Or if you are stuck and you don't know how you can do all of this, you can use a free tool on Etsy which is called Etsy Hunt. It can help you to see what products are really interested, and you can use it for free or on a paid plan. Yes, and if you're starting out, I wouldn't advise you to sell on Etsy because there is a fee you are supposed to pay if you want to be an Etsy seller. Yes, but you can still do your product research and sell your product on other platforms that you can sell your digital products for free. You can use Etsy for research. As I've said, you can also use social media for research. Social media like Pinterest, YouTube, or any other social media. Or you can use ChatGPT, Cloud AI, or any other AI of your choice to help you do your product research. For example, you can put in a prompt like this. You can say, go and check all social media platforms, and you can go ahead to say text-based platforms. You can also put in video-based platforms, and if you want, you can go ahead and mention the platforms like YouTube, X, Reddit, because these platforms, they have groups where people meet and they talk about products, yes, that they wish people are producing, or they wish that are in market and they are not seeing them. So in this way, AI is going to help you to pull out the data to see what exact product according to your niche people are really looking for. Yes, or it can be that your product is going to be fitting into a gap where people have been wanting a certain product to be produced, but nobody is producing it, or what is being produced or made is not fitting the people's standards. So you can jump in there and create a digital product according to that. If you're just starting out and you feel stuck, don't worry, I've created a free guide that can help you to start your digital product business even as a beginner. Yes, and it's for free. I will leave the link to it in the description below. You can go ahead and download it to help you start your digital product business. Even if you're a beginner or you have started but you haven't made any sale yet, this beginner guide is going to help you. It's going to be your roadmap that is going to hold your hand to help you creating your first digital product. Yes. The next step, since you have finished finding out your idea and doing your research, is to see if this idea is validated. Yes, you can have an idea, but you have to validate it to see if it's going to work. Yes, you can validate it by asking AI if the idea you have is good, if people will like it, or you can go ahead and ask your friends or family members about your product, or you can share it with them for free to see if they will like it, and they can share feedback with you to see if what you have created is nice and how they have felt using your products or your digital product. And after that, the next step is finding a tool that is going to help you to create your digital product. There are so many tools out there that can help you in your digital product creation process, but what works for me and what I am still using, and the tool I started using since I was beginning creating digital products, that tool has always been Canva, and I like it because of its simplicity. Anybody can use it, even a beginner can use that tool to create anything. So your next step is to use Canva to create your digital product, but if you have any other tool you can use, you can go ahead with that, or you can share with us the name of that tool in the comment section below so that we can go ahead and try it. So you can use Canva to create almost all digital products, and since now you have found a tool that you are going to use to create your digital product, then the next step is to go ahead to create your digital product. Yes, you can take your time and create it. As long as you are giving value in that product that you are creating, people are going to buy, because at the end people are paying to solve their problems. So if your product is solving any problem on this planet Earth, people are willing to pay you money because they need something that is going to simplify their life. Yes, and that's where you come in if you create a good product that is giving people value. Yes, and when you have finished your product creation in Canva, then you can go ahead to download your digital product. Now, after creating and downloading your digital product, then this is the next step. The next step is marketing your product. This is the step that most people miss and don't want to do because it's the heavy part. Creating a product is done, but how are you going to make people to buy this product? It's through marketing. If you have a good product, maybe for example this microphone or any digital product or any product out there, if it is not marketed, people will not know that this product exists. People have to go ahead and market their product so that people can know that that product is there and it can help their lives. So this is where you come in by marketing your digital product, and still, as I said, you can use Canva for creating your digital product. You can still use Canva to create your marketing materials, and you can create your marketing materials in Canva. For example, you can use Pinterest to market your digital product, and you can use Canva to create your Pinterest pins that you can use on Pinterest to market your digital product. I've created so many videos on how you can use Pinterest to market your digital product. That way you can market your digital product by creating YouTube videos as this one that I have created. And if you're out there, you want to start your digital product business but you don't know how, I have created a product that is going to help you to start your digital product journey even as a complete beginner. I'll leave the link to it in the description below. Yes, another way of marketing, you can use YouTube by creating videos like this. If you don't want to show your face, you can still use faceless marketing and still make money with it. Other people use other social media platforms, so it depends on you. If you want, you can use other social media platforms that you want to use, and that way you can talk about your digital product and how it can help a person solve their problem. I mentioned earlier in this video, you can use Etsy to sell your digital product, but the other side of Etsy, you have to pay a fee for listing your digital product. But if you don't want to go through that, nowadays you can still use Canva itself to sell digital products, but you can only get paid via PayPal. So if you're in a country where there is no PayPal, you can use other platforms to sell your digital products like System.io, Gramload, and any other platform. So if you want me to make a video talking about places where you can sell your digital product, then put that in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. As I have said that I've created a digital product that can help you to start selling your digital product even as a beginner, from zero to your first sale. Yes, I'll leave the link to that product in the comment section below and in the description. See you in the next video.